Welcome to Solvetic, your channel to always learn technology easily. Below in the description, you will find useful links we used in this video. Today in Solvetic, we will see how to save document on Google Docs. We start by entering Google Docs where we have our document. When we edit a document here, there is no need to save the changes manually since Google Docs saves it automatically when it detects changes, as you can see in the status above. Hey, remember to subscribe Solvetic channel. If you prefer to save the document directly and thus be able to edit it on your device, you can click on File and Download. Finally, you will only have to choose a format for your document and it will be downloaded to your computer. We hope it has been helpful for you. Here are links to watch more videos of your interest and subscribe to the Solvetic channel. Thank you.